Welcome. If you're looking to brighten up your Roblox experience with the new light theme on PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the quick and easy steps to enable light theme on the Roblox website using your browser. First, open up your preferred browser and head over to the Roblox website. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your settings. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a gear icon. This is your settings menu. Click on the gear icon to open up your account options. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will take you straight to your account info page, where you can manage all your personal details and preferences. Now, scroll down the page until you find the section labeled Theme. Here, you'll see a drop-down menu with different theme options. Click on this menu and select Light to switch your Roblox experience to the light theme. After you've chosen the light theme, make sure to save your changes if prompted. The website will instantly update, giving you a brighter and cleaner look across the entire Roblox platform. That's all it takes. With just a few clicks, you've switched from dark to light, making your Roblox browsing experience easier on the eyes, especially during the day. If you ever want to go back to dark theme, just follow these same steps and choose dark instead. Roblox makes it easy to personalize your experience, so you can always pick the style that suits you best. Thanks for tuning in. Enjoy your refreshed Roblox look and happy gaming.